Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Once a welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make way to go to the platform. You don't know it, we much appreciate love. Did you see? Now before I talk about my pink shirt, it's cool and nice, linen fabric in a Brittany where I burn. I wish I could have shown outside of the tree them now move. I might try to do it one of the daytime them. Or the sun a boil out there and the day now move. But they have this little mayor, deputy mayor in a mobile where in picture up on the thumbnail as you don't notice. But this boy with breast milk they even wipe off a female mouth yet, you know. Move my breast milk still up on the mouth. See there? See there? See the white, you see the white spot there? You know, have some argument you have to talk about I and I. So, let me read it to you before I go in it. You know, see. Montego Bay Deputy Mayor Richard Vernon has taken a swipe at Jamaican expatriates who seek greener pastures at the expense of developing their homeland. Vernon insists that patriotic youths should stay in Jamaica and build their country. Only cowards run away to go to America because they are seeking out opportunity. Opportunities are there overseas, but do not run away and leave your country, especially leaving indefinitely, and you don't want to contribute to the further development of your country, says Vernon. We are going to continue in a bit, but now, Jamaican politicians them have a way where the last person them lay any responsibility at them door is themselves. They not take no responsibility for nothing, you know. This and not something politicians for talk about, you know, with any form of discuss, unless I himself, you know, him have them discuss there towards. Because of them supposed to be the dreamer, them supposed to be the policy maker, them supposed to design the strategy, the way forward, improve way of life, so that people can, you know, respect and observe, respect them there. Our politicians don't even show Jamaicans them true value, like basically the love and the respect and adoration with foreigners and people abroad have for them and the culture. Our politicians them go on like them would have loved, them would have, I mean, them contribute to the destruction of the culture more than anybody else. Some don't know how that little youth here, well, like I say, mama breast milk still up on him mouth. Come in the media, come and talk some little stupid and Nancy story. You see, this is your shame. That is not the shame of the people. If a man hungry, if an animal hungry, anything hungry, him go look food. You know, see, I saw the thing said. Anyway, I could continue a little. You same ones who are saying that the country is not going on with anything. What are you doing to develop your own country? They made the sacrifice in America and all the first world countries so they can live the life that you admire. So do the same for your country and your parish. Now, a slavery build America and Britain. So you tell the son and the daughters of slave to stay Jamaica and slave over and over, feed them own a black master and build Jamaica too. Black master when I have no vision, corrupt and thief. Them not exhibit no integrity or character where people can trust and decide, so well, then them people are going to take it forward. Let's make the sacrifice and go in at the mud. You not be a thief, you not thief every opportunity you get. Dirty Vernon. A people, yeah, look for come be your slave. You know, see, you know, feel like them been through enough in the past. It's been 60 years. 60 years. And people still pay for education. 60 years of basic health. 60 years of the same law them. All outdated law them. 60 years and there is no basic reform, Rasta. You know, see, there is no development for propel the thing forward. This be a promise we get. And then the body come with a good intention. Only say one fight it down to keep people in a abject ignorance so that they can maintain on a slave status quo and agenda. It's only that's other place in the world. No, this you know have to have the requirement, the educational academic requirement. If you gotta go do any cheap labor where you can come back, where you can collect more than where the academics them. Where you not pay the academics them back home anyway. You know see? Little boy like you will just get your hand in the purse. I realize a labor force with the other day, me wanna draw a census and I talk about people who come give up numbers so they can the more the merrier, the more money we get for borrow from a friend them abroad because we know say yeah the workforce there for pay back fee. Anyway, the deputy mayor made the remarks Thursday while addressing the new Fortress Energy Foundation annual back to school fair at Pier 1 in Montego Bay, St. James, where 300 students from schools across St. James each received $10,000 in vouchers, supplies, medical chests, and tablets. So each student received that. Okay, so that I like, what, about £60, 70 US. All right. It is broadly accepted that nearly 3 million Jamaicans live beyond the island's shore, many of whom keep families back home afloat with remitted funds. Now, what sort of structure you have in place to take care of them 3 million people if you come back there on top of that? Although one of them you ask to come back, you ask the people them where dead if you stay and dog go see greener pastures because even though you don't have none for offer, no promise, no hopes whatsoever. You get to me, I said nothing for dissuade them from going abroad except your sweet mouth. A sweet mouth or have some bully boy business them try ridicule you. I saw them guy you try ridicule you into doing their bidding. You know see? Regardless of what. It don't matter to you, it don't benefit you, you know, at them it benefit them there. It's all about. You know see? Yeah. I could talk about remittance now. Dumb. Net remittance inflow in 2021 totaled $3.393 billion, an increase of 20.7% on 2020. The Economic and Social Survey Jamaica shows. Now, replicate that, dummy. Replicate that. You there talk about, you know, which area? Now, the thing about this now, why we don't recognize and respect this is that the bulk of the money I go straight in a poor people pocket and them a benefit personally. You see, you get a little taxes, you get a little percentage, but the bulk of this money and have nothing to do with you. And as much as it allows you to go undetected while you and your politician friend them thief up and rob up one or rob up, while this keep the people at bay from looking into what going while people are no more hungry, so that's the more desperate and come out to no more wickeder. While this is saving you from all of that, you still have a problem with it because you don't have your hand in it too. You don't realize it. This has saved your life. Because there is no way where this could have go unobserved. You can't tell me say you never see this or you don't know nothing about remittance income in a Jamaica. You can't tell me say you don't know nothing about that. So you just jump up and make an uninformed argument and talk bad against some of the most powerful people where they are Jamaica. Some of the people who have the most influence in Jamaica. Because each one of them 3 million people, you know, take offense to what you say. Yes. You know, see, and what going to happen now is that everybody what we know regarding the whole thing and having a farm of thing to do with you don't know, we are disassociate, you are detached, regardless where you come from. So yeah, you affiliate them. You just, you know, hurt on yourself. This comment came 2 days after reports that high teacher migration rates could result in some school curricula being abandoned because of high attrition. The inducement has increased as American teachers flee the classroom, open up opportunities for migrants. The Ministry of Education has indicated that it could lose approximately 1,250 teachers this year, with more than 400 educators having already left Jamaica to pursue more attractive salaries in the United States. It has been estimated that about 5% of Jamaica's 25,000 teachers leave the profession each year. All right, now, little and nothing Jamaica when I have nothing much to offer in terms of resource and things like that. And treat the economy like it's a capitalist hotbed. Everything is capitalistic. Everybody is that way driven. You understand what I say? It's all an opportunistic nature that the item you know me I say instill in the people in these days. So everybody develop that nature and want to grow and grasp any opportunity and every opportunity available to them. Capitalize on it. It's just capitalism. You know, see, in the first place, like I say, we're not in a position for really embrace such a thing. You know, see, we're supposed to create a social framework for our civil servant them who are the developers of our nation, the protectors and them type of thing there. You know, see, so that them feel in a less hurry for run we left the country. You know, see, you still have the teacher them. The teacher them just come off a big protest the other day. The police them have one go on a dispute. Always a go on between the government and the civil servant because them not get them pay. You know, see, while they are here say the Jamaica the #1 tourist destination in the world this year. How? Where the money there? How we not see no benefit you know, I reach the majority and the vast part of society, which is the working class. You know, see, minimum wage is crap. It's little and nothing. See? The teacher them always go and run away, even though it's something, not something that I really embrace or, you know, aspire. You know, see, I really love that, Rasta. But again, the nature of the game is capitalism. And everybody capitalize by any sort of, you know. Yeah. So, a guy have to know that if, say, you know, put certain thing in a structure for maintain an agenda. A freestyle or not a freestyle, and you can't come use no bully boy argument and no sweet talk and expect the people like people. The people them where you talk about, a teacher them they talk about, the whole of them good are brighter than you. Because a crony, you see man them start to sit there get all only in a position. And it obviously every teacher is brighter than you. Because there is no teacher would have come with them sort of argument there against expatriates outside of Jamaica. 3 million people who appear how many billions? You see, who appear 3 billion in the coffer. You see it? You make a wrong speech this one, you're just young and uninformed. You see, Vernon also said that Jamaicans do not need to conform to the subculture of lottery scamming or otherwise illicit schemes in order to succeed. What is the alternative, young boy? What's the alternative? Wait the next. I mean, I listen to it, I read and try. Yeah, it must be there somewhere. I see some persons in some little ways endorsing scamming, saying that the government is not providing enough jobs and so persons have to turn to scamming. You do not need to chop the line and you do not need to scam because there are other ways out, said Vernon. Mr. You want a lick by your mouth with a cutlass. That you want, boy. We have to introduce violence when you come out to people like you. You see, because we go on like blind to what we feel. And I push certain idiot thing down the throat as justification for inaction, Rasta. We want to expect. How long we are going to take them fuck here for? We are idiot, Rasta. We are idiot. Tell you where the jobs them then, man. Tell you make all me advertise them and tell some you to go out there. You can't tell me because there is none, Rasta. And even if there was any the chip and so on, I pay people for go work for that. For go do the dirty works. How it even benefit them for leave them yard at morning time. Yeah, man, I say by Monday man, I borrow money. When I adjust them issue there before no come from media come and talk fat. Like when things are sweet word or anything like that, I get to know nowhere. How can I eat that boy this man? I wonder if him resign it. But naturally, there is no consequence for the way our Jamaica politicians them deal with the youth and deal with people. You see, because in a lot of cases, they may resign every offense. But if you step down and go, you can't come out, you can't come in you're not supposed to represent nothing official. Go inside, go to your own private business, because you look like that you there run a slave farm. You know, represent the people. You see, the deputy mayor praised New Fortress for its investment in the back-to-school fair, which he said empowers students to become productive members of society. Thursday's back-to-school fair, which New Fortress Energy hosts in collaboration with Montego Bay Chamber of Commerce and Industry, was part of a wider national initiative that benefited 1,000 students across the parishes of St. James, St. Catherine and Clarendon, where the company operates its LNG plants. New Fortress Energy had previously held similar back-to-school fairs in Clarendon on August 9 and in St. Catherine on August 10. I wonder how much tax break New Fortress with them LNG thing get for them couple £100 yeah, where them give it. You know, see, I wonder how much tax break, you know how much returns them get in terms of tax break for that. Because we know say, yeah, I saw you get tax write-off whenever you do charity as a company. So when some boy come and go with themselves, and you see it and a guy can, in a Jamaica, you know, a guy out things, when a guy come tell you say, a guy will give you 2 grand. One for the man we give it, we give it another grand and come back, come declare 10 grand and the man we give it the 2 grand, you just a part of the agreement, so you sign off 10 grand here, sir. You know, see, you check it out, him get how much $1,000 what a tax break for nothing. You know, see it, and this laghead body, I come and talk to poor people, I come and talk to the wrong demography. You dry in your stupid conversation. You know, see it. Richard Vernon, I mean, I don't know where you come from and I want to make you, where you think you have the authority for you to talk to well-thinking, hard-working, one of the most productive set of Jamaicans, even though we don't get to contribute to Jamaica in the way we want. You see, what gives you the authority to attack people of the diaspora? You don't even left out of school yet. You look like you don't even go through a breakup yet. Like no woman not left you yet. You know, see, you come here and chat your one bag of a warm tail. Your mother should slap it on your mouth this evening when you go in and teach your sense. Saying that the 80s, from 1980s till now, remittance are one of the major source of income in a Jamaican stability or existence. However, Jamaica plan to move forward or balance right here now. Your mother should have teach you them thing there. You come and you so come. You embarrass and insult everything where you stand for, where you're supposed to stand for. You see, go with that, man. You're not out of order. No, we, the people from the diaspora need to organize our power against our cheerless talk like uno. You know see it? Cause uno no do nothing and cause we for runway. Uno brutal government, uno brutality, uno lawlessness, uno corruption. And nothing, there is nothing no change for the youth. Them have to be either Rasta. And you, a little pissy tail boy like you come now and blame the youth, them and people who, as call them coward. Look upon all you. Look upon all you, youth. Eh? You look like you are 15. We see 15-year-old picnic in a school with more beard than you. You out of order, go study your history, man. You see, that was you know, that was a theater and a that. May I tell you with uno, come like uno, they even make people study on a speech or when they ever sit down and write a speech and make it get some professional review before you come and them thing and come say certain things and behave certain way because it just look stupid Rasta. You know see, anyway, I give thanks. I could discuss it some more in the comment section because this boy out hard and feisty. I mean, no whole heap of, you know. Yes, I give thanks.